2 months ago, this guy asked me to make a video about Bakey, and you know how it is. You ask, I deliver.
Okay, brand new day, I'm brilliant. Afro hair like Willian. Don't play, got skill like Brazilian. One day I'm gonna make more than a million.
So first set the tempo to 132 BPM and create a rhythm like this. Then I noticed the kick was too weak, so I added a couple of things to make it pump harder. For the intro I took the same bass, but I removed everything below 100 Hz. You can throw in elements like pads and strings, but in my case I opted to use some cellos. And now let's focus on the background elements. They'll help us to have a better frequency balance. I'm using the vocals from a track called Mod by Capoli. This is how it sounds.
Mod. I feel the hate in the air, so when I touch down, see your man get lift. Every other man wanna be bad till the white light start moving. Mod.
Okay, we already have the first half of the tutorial ready. Now for the second one I decided to make another UK garage track because as you might know there are like plenty of different styles. Right, honey?
Welcome to London. So when I step to the high road, I see CCTV and cameras. They're going hard for the riches and fortunes. From the street vendors to the bankers, boys in blue always looking for a problem.
As you can see, this is a very percussive track which somehow forces us to keep the effects bar very simple. Look. Now let's take a look at the bass. It's the most important part in the UK garage song and that's why it should be strong enough to carry the whole track. And now that's pretty much it, so let's listen to the final product.
I could have told you before, don't get yourself running and walk out everything. I just laugh at the game, never sound boy barking in pink out everything. Yeah. The way I came in the game and showed everything on sight was I just mashed bare work and I watched no face, the respect got I feel the hate in the air, so when I touch down, see your man get lift. Every other man wanna be bad till the white lights start moving. When it's cap or the champion, sounds of the surge, I know it get. It's all 2016, so every tune I release it gotta be. You can't call for the champ like you won't get bun, he's moving. I said come out the way when I bar, look what man before a man get lift. Man I waving it still, tell man we don't play in the field, car everything. I got them man blazing the Zeds, man I raising the left car everything.
What? Welcome to London. So when I step to the high road, I see CCTV and cameras. They're going hard for the riches and fortunes. From the street vendors to the bankers, boys in blue always looking for a problem. There's a price to pay when you're a black man. There's a next on pressure in both sides. He don't give a fuck and we call him the tax man. Yo, so welcome to London, fam. Poverty, we got that in abundance, fam. Some are homeless, some are reckless. You'll get fucked if you buck up on a London gang. What's sterling, they run up on your London grants. Put work in and mash up all your London plans. You can't argue when we start charge you congestion.